Hi everyone, this is Piyush Jain. Welcome to my channel PJ Analytics. In this video, I will talk about the dimensions and measures. So I'll open the Tableau desktop here. Now let's understand what is dimension and what is measures. So when we connect to any data, that data contains textual data or the numeric data. So usually all the textual data like string, date time, geographical data are known as the dimensions, whereas all the numeric data like profit, sales, quantity, anything having the numeric data type will consider as a measures. So when we connect to any data source, Tableau will assign this role. Now here I have connected to orders, and in this preview area we can see all the columns like row ID, order ID. These are all the fields that is coming from the order sheet. And for above all these field we can see one small icon, and that icon we can see this is the hash icon. That icon represent a data type. So when we click on this, we can see the 6 different data type that we have into the Tableau. So Tableau will automatically assign the data type to each column based on the data of that field. So Tableau has assigned a numeric data type to this column row ID. Order ID, it has assigned the ABC. ABC represent the string data type, and this calendar and this calendar ABC globe. So Tableau will automatically assign the data type to each column. Now let's go to the sheet. So to identify the dimension and measures, so we have this one this thin line. We can see above discount and below the measure name, very small thin line. So above all this thin line, all are the dimensions, and below this thin line, all are the measures. So as I mentioned, all the textual data like string, date, geographical are considered as a dimensions. So category, we can see the data type of category is string. ABC represents the string, and city is represented by the geographical data type. So all these are the dimensions. Whereas the discount profit, this has represent the numeric data type. So all the numeric data type comes into the measures. Now when we drag any dimensions, so I will drag the category into the rows, we can see all the distinguished value. So in category we have 3 values: furniture, office supplies, and technologies. And when I drag any measures, I will drag the profit into the columns. We can see it is coming as a aggregated. So even if we see the pill, the dimensions represent into the blue pill and the measures represent into the green pill. So by default, all the dimensions are discrete and all measures are continuous. Hope this video will help you to understand the dimension measures. Thank you.